Good morning, students, and welcome to another on. Plants maintain the atmosphere. All of you know they produce oxygen and absorb carbon dioxide during photosynthesis. What is photosynthesis? You know, photosynthesis is a process where plants or green plants can make their own food with the help of carbon dioxide from air, sunlight, and water, and it leaves oxygen gas to the air during photosynthesis. Now, plants provide many products for human use, such as firewood, timber, fibers, medicines, dyes, pesticides, oils, and rubber. Plants create habitats for many organisms. What is the meaning of habitat? Already I have told in second chapter. But then also I am mentioning habitat means the natural home or environment for any animal or plant. Now, cereals. Cereals are seeds or grains of grasses and are cultivated in order to obtain the largest bounty of their fruit or seed, which consists of germ, endosperm, and bran. Cereals definition already I have given you in the second chapter. Already I have given you. One new word is there, that is bounty. Bounty means you can say that something occurring in a generous amount, like fruit, seed, like this. Actually, cereals generally we use cereals as our food. Now the first one that we are going to discuss in this chapter, that is paddy. You know paddy or rice plant. The paddy or rice plant species Oryza sativa. Oryza sativa, this pronunciation, remember this, and this is the scientific name of paddy. Oryza is the genus and sativa is the species. As it not has been written or underlined properly, that's why I have used italics word. Oryza sativa is a number of the grass family. Grass family, name of grass family is Poaceae, or you can say Gramineae. And the worldwide number one provider of human food, that all of you know, paddy is the worldwide number one provider of human food or our food. Or you can say it is the worldwide number one provider of carbohydrates. Now, what are the characters or important characters of paddy? First one, plants are herbaceous or annual and annual. What is the meaning of herbaceous? Herbaceous means you can say having the characteristics of a herb. Generally, paddy plants have the characteristics of a herb. You can see the paddy plants diagram over here. Now, what is herb? Hope so you know what is herb, but then also I am saying as seed-bearing plant, no woody stem actually. Now, the second character is leaves linear with parallel venation. Venation type of leaves is parallel. Third point is inflorescence spikelet. What is inflorescence? Inflorescence actually is the arrangement of the flowers on a plant. In a simple word, I am saying. And spikelet is a type of inflorescence especially seen in grasses. Okay. Number 4, flowers are bisexual. You know what is the meaning of bisexual, and covered by glumes. And number 5, grain, oblong, angular. The states where the 3 crops of paddy grown are Assam, West Bengal and Odisha. The 3 crops of paddy are Os, Aman and Bodo. So these are the 3 types of rice. Rice is often characterized as one of 3 varieties: long grain, medium grain or short grain rice. These varieties refer to the length and shape of the grain. Simply speaking, long grain rice will have a longer cylindrical shape, whereas short grain rice will be shorter and wider. You can see this picture, the types of rice. Now for the rice seed, now I am going to discuss the structure of a rice seed. One more thing, this diagram you have to draw and you have to label it like this only. But if possible, do the labeling at right hand side only with a straight arrow. Now for the rice seed to be used to grow a new rice crop, the husk is retained and the whole seed is planted. First I am explaining from this diagram what is husk. You can see the outer covering, outer hard covering, this yellow color, please follow the leisure. This is husk. So written also, husk is the hard covering. This is inedible part and industrial uses. That means it is used for industry. Now the next one, dark brown color. This one is bran. Actually, function of this bran is protection of the seed. Okay. So it is used as carbohydrates, protein, fat and fiber. And the next white color, inner white color portion is endosperm. It provides energy. It can be used in carbohydrates, protein and fiber. It can be used as carbohydrate also, protein also and fiber also. And the last one is germ. This is the germ. You can see this small portion. This actually provides nourishment. So it is also used as carbohydrates, protein, fat and fiber. Now again I am reading. Hope you will understand. For the rice seed to be used to grow a new rice crop, the husk is retained and the whole seed is planted. To get to the edible rice grain inside the seed, the husk has to be removed. Because husk is inedible part, so that's why for making it edible, husk portion or outer covering portion of a rice should be removed. Underneath the husk is the rice grain covered with a layer of bran. Hope so nowadays you have heard about bran oil. Generally it is prepared, rice bran oil. It is prepared from this bran. When rice has its bran intact, it is called brown rice. This is also a very common word now. Brown rice. Actually, what is brown rice? This is the definition of brown rice. When rice has its bran intact, means with bran, a rice is called brown rice. So that's all for today. Hope so you have understood well. This is a very easy chapter. Today only I told in your class. But then also if you have any problem with any words, so I am always there with you. Please ask me in my Zoom class. Have a nice day, students. Bye.